Something is obviously wrong with me. And then I did this, like I was good. And I did it like 10 times. And they just looked at me like, what the heck is this guy doing? And I was like, look at the this. It's Ferris wheel. I don't know anything about basketball except squeak, 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 squeak. That's the sound of the shoes on the hardwood, on the hard court, playing some round ball. I'm just trying to get home without dying. Some dude in full Lance Armstrong drip in the middle of his commute is like, tight game here. That's good water. Probably tased the driver of the car in front of her when she came back. You got anything cooking up in the lab? Also, my toddler loves that song. Jim Carrey did a great job, but at no point does he go, erase my memory. What the heck is rah? Rah. Isn't that what people reply to when you post a thirst trap on Twitter? Hey, out shopping today. See you guys on stream later. Woof, woof. Burger. Down, boy. Oh, sorry. That's Apollo's stream title. He got that dog in him. It's not like I'm going, ring, 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 ring. Go into a room of 5-year-olds. They're all going like, ah, ah, like it's just like they can't contain themselves. It's Mila Kunis. I want it to lumber, exactly. Like this. I don't want it to be like Ultron. You know? Ah! Your mother. Here's how this should start, okay? It's you should start with you just see a silhouette like the top half of whatever planet this takes off on from a view in outer space, and then it's like a shooting star is coming down. And you're like, what the heck is this shooting star? And then it breaches the atmosphere and it keeps going. It passes through like parallax scrolling cloud cover, and then it goes thump, and you see like a little cloud of dust rise up, and then the fox gets up and you're like, oh shit, she must be some kind of superhero or something. And now I care about the text that's happening here because she has something interesting going on. Like, I think it's less offensive for her to hear a song that says the F word than it is for me to lie to her and have her listen to some garbage like Pentatonics. I'm not gonna, like, ruin her life. What is American Samoa? Oh! Jarvis, what happened to my apes? Oh! It appears all your apes are gone, Tony. You're lucky at this point. There's so many people are typing. Because if this was Blood Bowl 3, it would be timeout. But because so many people are typing, you're safe in the crowd. And then they went down, dick it down, dick it down, dick it doom, dick it doom, dick it right. And then it goes beep beep boop boop beep beep boop beep boop.
You know, I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel pretty confident that in a survival situation, I could drink my own piss.
Like without throwing up? Or without going, yummy, 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 daddy wants more.
Yeah, Bear, in a survivor situation, I think I could drink your piss too.
Breep, 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 breep.
Holy.
Dunky, dunka, dunk. Dunka, dunka, dunk. chicken tikka.